this man came to this world for the first time. An angel touches our lives in so many different ways. And now he turns 60. We celebrate his birthday like birth on the day together with family, relatives, and friends. And today we celebrate the gift of life. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 60th birthday Penny Manhattan celebration of Mr. Nilo Legundi. Everyone, isang malakas na palakpakan, please. And this time, we begin our program with the entrance of the amazing families.
Is signing all the way from England, UK. Once again, round of applause, please, to Melody, Sir Richard, and is signing all the way from England, UK. And this time, please make way to the second born daughter, together with her husband all the way from Finland and Sweden. Give it up to Mary Blanche and Joel. There you go, what a nice, very interesting. Thank you so much. And start of the day, the birthday of Victor, and as he turns 60, he is now ready to conquer the world with his charm and handsomeness. Everyone give it up to Mr. Nilo Legundi.
Ay pag-branding yung next celebrating birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. 2, 1, and go. Happiest birthday, Cynthia.
Day after day, I bet you could have used a word.
Just this fair, give it up and make way the second born starring daughter we have now, Maria Blanche. Round of applause, please, for the pagod natin.
Wanna come home to roses, dirty. Every time you want me here.
This for you. $1,000. This for you. Sumantas ko ngayon.
Now it's passing the DJ. Closer, please. Hit it, DJ. Roll.
Ako kaya sumay.
Four. Hatu Rashidi. Ready? Okay, muna. Oh.
Ako si Moncheng Belonio. Pagumantol ni Nilo Lagundi. Ipatan o gasto o nasabong. Huwag mahiyang magtanong. Kung may right leg ba kayo? Dito ka na, darating sa bayan. From Canada. Ha? Ninong ba ka? Ninong ba ko bakit? Kalunod na tayo niya. Why not so much? Hey! Hi everyone, my name is AJ. Kapag galit ka na, gusto mo iluba. Ayun, ilan sir? 16 years old, Rocky. Yellow ba? Yellow ba to? Ice yellow? Nga naman. Kita, nagtunaw ako. Hindi ka plan sir, to? Sana sinain na lang ako. Bakit? Para pag iniwan mo ako, lagot ka sa nanay mo.
And where is the park bucket? The bucket. The white part. Awag ingat ka mo, ilayo ka ito na English, sa Bisaya ka na ay. Wala ikapilo ko rin pamilyahan eh.
From Sweden, give it up to number 6. So what's the rules? Your name? And your age? I am 14. You're from? Sweden. And your pickup line is for who?
Sa bilang mo, okay lang mo.
May kumis na lang. Pagpala din si Richard. Ano namin? Asawa ni Okta. Ano din sa si Isaiah? And your pickup line, sir? No, isa. Yung may pickup line, sir? Sa'yo lang kung buhat to. Pati yung inatay, sir? Inatay. Kung wala si Uli, inatay. Inatay. Ano yun? May kumis na lang. Kaya si Unawis. Tapos naman tayo kumain. Nauhan mo rin ha? Bakit? Okta, additional beer.
And 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn.
'Ilaw
love you.
Good evening, everyone. Happy birthday, Nilo. I wish all the best in life for you.
And always be in good health. And more birthday to come. And still pogi like me. Senior citizen account. Hanggang 100. 20%. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, our dear brother. We wish you all the best. More years to celebrate this kind of birthday. I'm the eldest sister of Nino. And I just, first of all, thanks God that here is 60th birthday.
Since marami naman po silang na-wish, let me take the opportunity to say a message of thanks kay Kuya Nino, to Ate Dami, and to Okta and Cheche. Thank you.
Mula nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon at binuhay pa ako hanggang 60. More. At pangalawa, yung pamilya ko, yung mga kapatid ko, galing pa sa Cagayan ng Bali. Ito, yung kaliginsan na pamangkin ko, pinsan ko si Rowing. Sa anak ko, galing sa ibang lugar. Yung mga kaibigan ni Mrs. Ayan sila.